The latest observation by the Hubble Space Telescope reveals a very strange galaxy structure hidden in the depths of the universe. This observation has both stirred excitement in the world of science and triggered our curiosity about the secrets of the universe once again. As always, Hubble not only brings us distances that we cannot see with our eyes, but also redraws all the boundaries we know about the shape and order of the universe. This strange galaxy is quite different from the spiral or elliptical galaxies we are used to. At first glance, it may look like an irregular galaxy, but when you drill down into the details, it looks as if two different galaxies are intertwined. As astronomers try to analyze this strange form, they are coming up with new theories about the galaxy's past to understand why. Scientists think that the shape of this galaxy was most likely caused by an intergalactic collision. However, it is still unknown when this collision took place, or which galaxies were involved. Another striking feature of this observed shape is an active nucleus at the center of the galaxy. This suggests that a supermassive black hole could be at the center of the galaxy. The galaxy's unique shape could be caused by the motion of stars and gas interacting with the black hole's gravitational pull, as black holes suck in the matter around them at tremendous speed. This matter emits incredibly high energy and becomes one of the brightest objects that can be observed in the universe. Thanks to Hubble's observations, not only the shape of this galaxy has become clearer, but also the regions of star formation. It's as if there is chaos within this galaxy, while new stars continue to be born at the same time. This is an indication of how complex and fascinating the universe is. This extraordinary galaxy has a lot to teach us. On the one hand, it helps us understand how intergalactic interactions shape the structure of the universe, and on the other, it reveals the role that black holes play in these processes. We will certainly learn more about this galaxy with future observations. But even this data reminds us once again how many secrets the universe holds that remain unexplored. With each passing day, Hubble sheds a little more light on the mysteries of the universe, and we continue to live this fascinating journey with it. This fascinating observation by the Hubble Space Telescope proves once again the enormity of the universe. Every time we look, we have the chance to discover one more hidden corner of the universe. This extraordinary observation of galaxies reveals once again the role of intergalactic interactions and black holes in shaping the universe. In this video, you can't help but marvel at the unique structure of this galaxy as you watch images of the deep universe in the background. Keep your eyes peeled for a deeper look at this strange and fascinating structure of the universe, because it always finds something to surprise us. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.